Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu and Ramzan Mubarak. My name is Rafiq Reshi and this is the first video of The Sentiment in Pakistan. Instead of going on an extremely long introduction about what I'm going to do and all that stuff, I think it's better if we jump right in with my current 5 fragrance rotation for the month of March/Ramzan. First off is one of the first fragrances I bought from any local house, and I predominantly do buy from local houses. This one is Mysterious Musk by Kolish. Sticker did wear off a while ago. This fragrance barely smells like anything. By the way, the cap is not very good. Lavender, musk, some leather, smoke. That's it. It opens up quite bright. It has this fresh lavender opening to it, which quickly delves into the musky side with the cleanliness of the white musk on top. Now the musk is the main character over here. It's very multifaceted, I would say. It has this cleanliness in the top. In the heart, it becomes a lot more rough, has a bit of an edge to it, and in the base, it is extremely aromatic. Pretty easy reach for some if you're into those aromatic fragrances. Even if you're not, you will end up enjoying this. The longevity around this time of year in March is around 5 to 6 hours, I would say. And this is a 100 milliliter bottle, and I've used half of it. I have a fragrance of over 30 to 40 fragrances, और मेरे लिए आधा fragrance 100 ml की इस्तेमाल करना बहुत कहता है. I do use it mainly for layering combos. I've layered it with much fresher fragrances, and sometimes when you layer them together, the overall longevity of them improves. I get 7 to 8 hours sometimes, and in the summer that's a big deal. इसकी price point for 100 milliliter 4,000 से 5,000 रुपए ही है, which I think is very solid. ये बहुत लोगों को समझ आएगा. Easy reach. Second fragrance is from my favorite local house here in Pakistan. I've come into contact with the owner, Osama Bhai, if you're seeing this. Assalamu alaikum. And I enjoy this fragrance a lot. This is an impression of Xerjoff Naxos by Balsamico Fragrances. Hard to reach for, but beautiful. It opens up with this aromatic freshness and citrus from bergamot and lavender, and honey and tobacco in it do come on the forefront. In the opening, the tobacco plays a bit differently than you would expect. To my nose, it's a bit dry, dusty, earthy, and then quickly becomes this very smoothed out, relatively sweet tobacco that we've all come to love in that DNA. I say it's hard to reach for because I enjoy this a lot, but you cannot wear this every day. This deserves some recognition. I was told one time that you smell too mature when I was wearing this, which hurt me thoda sa. Again, I enjoy the fragrance a lot. For 50 ml, this was 1,800 rupees. This was in the recent stock clearing, so I don't think you can get this anymore. I'm not really sure, but if you got your hands on this, you know how amazing this is. 1,800 rupees is a killer price tag for 50 ml, and beautiful fragrance. I get around 8 to 10 hours longevity with this, जो कराची पाकिस्तान में कहना बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. अगर आप इस्लामाबाद या लाहौर में रहते हैं, especially in the winter times, जिधर आप ज़्यादातर ये fragrance पहनेंगे, पूरा दिन लास्ट करेगी. कराची में भी पूरा दिन लास्ट करेगी विंटर्स के टाइम में. लेकिन currently 8 to 9 hours in the month of March when it's sunny outside in the day and a bit warm and then more cozy at night. Says a lot. Good fragrance, good performance. Third fragrance के बारे में मुझे रमज़ान के लिए कुछ स्पेशल चाहिए था. I wanted something that was oudi, animalic, something for Tarawih, something that's a loud projector. Maybe it offends a few people, I don't really care. I just wanted something that was strong. This is The Spirit of the Way, Divan, done by Neue/Centerbond. मोहम्मद आबिद भाई ने ये हाउस फाउंड की है और ये फ्रेग्रेंस निकाली है, एंड अगर आप वीडियो ये देख रहे हैं सर, आई सल्यूट यू. आपने 1,000-1,500 रुपये में हमें ऐसी एक्सपीरियंस दी है, एंड एज ए फ्रेग्रेंस कॉन्सर्वर मैं इसको बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ. एंड कैसे किया आपने इतनी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में, मुझे समझ नहीं आता. This fragrance is very multifaceted and very unique. If you go on Fragrantica and look up the notes of it, there's hundreds of notes on there. It's going to confuse you. But if you want me to describe it, I would say the top note has this red juiciness, oud, rose, fruitiness, and then in the heart you get a lot more amber, and then the base is just oud. But this I have come to enjoy a lot. This is sort of what I wish Ombre Nomad was. Ombre Nomad ended up being a lot more rosy and feminine to my nose, at least. I do like Ombre Nomad, but I like this more. Projection, बात खत्म. इसकी projection सही में पूरी collection में सबसे ज़्यादा है. Longevity भी बात खत्म. पूरा दिन लास्ट करेगी. अगर आपने समर में लगा दिया ना यार, एक तो आप प्लीज़ 2 स्प्रे से ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना. हर बंदा आपके राउंड पूछ रहा होगा क्या पहन रहे हो, पर तंग भी हो रहा होगा. 3 sprays max, 3 to 4 sprays, done. 1,500 rupees for 30 ml. I love it. It's an amazing fragrance. चौथा fragrance is not an easy reach. ये हर बंदे के लिए नहीं होगा, क्योंकि even the house owner described this as a very niche fragrance. This is Senescence by Serge Lutens, The Impression, and it's done by Divine in Paris. This fragrance, Indolic Bright Jasmine, lots of florals, white musk, बात खत्म वहाँ पे. उसके अलावा आपको और कुछ इस फ्रेग्रेंस में ज़्यादातर आ नहीं रहा होगा. It's a very unique interpretation of a jasmine fragrance. लेकिन ज़्यादातर आप jasmine fragrance लगाते हैं तो उसमें indolic brightness होती है, उसकी longevity भी इतनी नहीं होती, और वो single note पे प्ले कर रहा होता है. ये आगे जाके बहुत ज़्यादा मस्की हो जाता है. मस्की होके it has a lot of animalic touches to it as well. In the base, it's extremely animalic. And the jasmine in this is present throughout the life of the fragrance. Extremely potent. I wore this to the gym. मैंने 2 स्प्रे लगाए थे. पूरा जिम भर गया था. हर बंदा मुझे देख रहा था. मुझे शर्म आ रही थी. Be careful with the sprays. Not everybody will appreciate this fragrance, but as someone that enjoys white florals specifically, I love this. It's come to me as an easy reach, but for most it won't. 30 ml by Divine in Paris was 2,050 rupees. Not a bad price point. Fifth fragrance मेरे लिए ज़्यादा पर्सनल है. मैंने recently अपना खुद ब्रांड स्टार्ट किया है. उसका नाम है Arcano Parfums. I work on impressions and hybrids. This is a new article that I've come to discover myself. I love this. It's Gianna Trency's करके. Indolic bright florals, passion fruit, peach, raspberry, sandalwood, vanilla. ये पहन के मैं पागल हो गया हूँ. I discovered this just a week or 2 ago, and in my whole collection, पिछले हफ्ते से I'm pretty sure मैंने ये हर दिन लगाया. Which says a lot. मेरे पास बहुत fragrances हैं, मैं सबको लगाता रहता हूँ, and to ignore them all just for one, for me that's a big deal. This is everything I wish Xerjoff Herbapura was, because Herbapura is a good fragrance. It has good projection, good longevity, smells fruity, smells nice, it's pleasant. But when you pay attention to it more, काफ़ी synthetic है. ये वो उसको fix कर लेता है in my opinion. Passion fruit, I enjoy a lot. I have Oud Maracuja by Centerbond. I wear that a lot. I have come to love that fragrance. If you love Oud Maracuja, you will like this, because इसका passion fruit का बहुत permanent है, बहुत play करता है, बड़े मज़े का. Longevity की बात करें हम तो 7 से 8 घंटे देती है, which for a fruity fresh fragrance is pretty good. Synthetic तो obviously है, तो synthetic की वजह से ही उसकी performance ज़्यादा होती है. Projection पागल, पूरा क्लासरूम भर गया था. कॉलेज पहन के गया था, ये हर बंदे को स्मेल आ रही थी. Now people do have reservations about this because to some it smells feminine. That's not the case for me. Skin chemistry does play a factor for this. I'd say मर्दों के ऊपर ये ज़्यादा एंड में आके मस्की और बॉडी हो जाती है बेस में. शुरू में वही इंडोलिक ब्राइटनेस है, फ्रेशनेस है, फ्रूटीनेस है, और फीमेल्स लगाती हैं जब तो पूरा इंडोलिक ब्राइटनेस, फ्रेशनेस है. All the fruitiness, it's there. If you enjoy fruity fragrances, you will love this. This is the Gianna Trency's करके from my own brand, Arcano Parfums. A 50 milliliter bottle goes for 2,500 rupees. So that is my current rotation, currently for the month of Ramadan and March. On this channel, I will mostly be talking about local houses. क्योंकि to be frank, मैं 18 साल का हूँ, मैं कॉलेज जाता हूँ, इस लेवल में हूँ. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है भाई, मैं गरीब हूँ, I'm broke. So this is all I can afford. I love to talk about fragrances. I'm extremely passionate about fragrances, and I hope if you're watching this video, you are as well, and you've come to love the content. This is my first attempt at a video. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, जो भी लोग कहते हैं end में. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum and Khuda Hafiz.